Hi, I'm Ananya Goswami, founder of Chop Finance. I was the student of BSc Forensic Science, Galgottias University, and I was also the VP of Entrepreneurship Cell. My journey of Galgottias University is of 3 years, where I understood that working hard and pushing to your limits is something that you need to do to actually reach to your dreams, and that's about it. I think one moment that actually impacted my life was so VC ma'am was actually looking after ESL. She was the top priority whom we had to actually seek permission for any event or anything. She was leaving, and she said, I went to her. I was alone that time. I was the VP, and she said, "Beta, now you have to figure out yourself. कि क्या करना है, किससे बात करनी है." I was like, आपके बाद कौन? Then me and my president of ESL Tushar went to Aradhana ma'am's office, and वहाँ पे the freedom we got for ESL, ma'am was so helpful कि हमने बहुत बड़ी events pull off किया है. We invited very big celebrities, big names, and I think that if ma'am said ki figure out yourself, we as students probably would have not gone to doing things like that, but we took a chance. We knocked at the door at the right time and we got the freedom to do anything. ESL में हम कुछ भी कर सकते थे. उसके पहले it was not like that. Lot of approvals, lot of things had to be done before actually pulling off an event. But after Aradhana ma'am looked after our ESL, we got a lot of permissions, freedom was there. So I think we pulled off really good events, and we also collected 100 startups within the university and campus. We talked to so many people, and we got to realize that there are so many companies actually running inside the campus, and I think that is something that is there in my mind. I think if we just tried sitting idea कि क्या करेंगे क्या नहीं करेंगे, I think it had been a wrong move. I think this is what is there in my mind actually. My message is, there is no limit to your dreams. You are the only limit. So set your limits so high and work towards it every day, every moment, every hour. You will achieve anything in life. Oh, my best memories is working in ESL, meeting friends, having bestest friends from the university, and where even now when I'm here, I'm at my friend's place whom I also met in my university, in my department. So I think you get people, and I also have mentors from the university and faculties who support my dreams and are always there in one call away. I think this is what an university provides, and I think you should actually take the best out of it.